aros mae'r mynyddau mawr. Rio drostynt mae y gwynt.
So we're on Exmoor today, just a little bit inland from Heddon's Mouth. We've been for a walk and we're thinking of doing some of the show here. The point of that is really so that the story and landscape can encounter each other with people in a kind of leisurely walk, so people can walk, experience this beautiful landscape, and when we do it in autumn, of course, it will be warmer and more welcoming and not quite so wet. People can sit and stop, and there'll be songs and stories and music on the way down, all the way down to the beach, finish the story off and gently meander back. And then, of course, what happens is that inevitably you walk with people, you start to talk with them, and then everyone else's stories get blended and woven into the story.
And anywhere we do another story walk, not just here, we'll give its own story to us on the day, and that will be unique on the day with the group of people that we have on the day. So we'll find something new from the story in any location that we go to.
Yeah, we're really looking for local connections in the story and making it, really present in this place where we are today, wherever that is. And we're really keen to take the story route from Wales down through Somerset, Gloucestershire, Devon and into Cornwall.
Mae cenhedlaeth wedi mynd, a cenhedlaeth wedi dod, a cenhedlaeth wedi dod. Ac ar ôl oes tymheslog hir, alun mabon mwy nid yw. Ond mae'r heniaeth yn y tir, a